Hi, this is John with WTI, and this has been one of the best toothpaste that I've tried in a while. This is the Arm& Hammer Peroxicare toothpaste. So one of the things that I like the most directly from this toothpaste is that you feel the baking soda straight ahead. It's gonna help you a lot with removing light stains to your teeth. At the same time, improves your gum health. I have a pretty sensitive gum, so I cannot use all the types of toothpaste. I would need something that would go easy on my gums and it will go easy on my teeth, since I have a little bit of a sensitivity. But great thing, Arm& Hammer always has great products when it comes to whitening or helping with the hygiene of your teeth. So if you're looking for a great toothpaste that is going to do a great job for you, is going to take care of the whole process of your whole gum sensitivity and everything, this just works great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.